Pablo, you tell me, what was your favorite name from the weekend? You sent me a name more.
There's two of them. I really like Root, ROOT, and Leaf.
So let's start with Root. So we have the wiretapper, guys, and then we have that HVT tool. We use that to help find different trades. So Root, if Pablo tells me a name like this, I'm gonna go first and just check it out. Wow, this is definitely coming up all over the place. And was this 20 days? Pablo, I'm gonna try to reverse engineer you. Okay, Root and Leaf. Leaf just showing up here. Okay, cool. I like it. I like it.
And so Leaf showed up a while back, and then it went away, and then that I took a position in it, you know, maybe about a month ago or so, and just now it began to move on Friday, and now it's showing up again on the wiretapper. So I like it.
I like it too. Funny, I did DouYu on Friday.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, because I saw DouYu keep popping up. Root and Leaf. So now let's go to the HVT tool. Oh, that looks beautiful. Wow. It's like an onomatopoeia.
Yeah. Onomatopoeia. I've never heard that.
Seriously?
No.
Onomatopoeia is a word that sounds like the word.
Ah, okay. Got it.
So that was funny. Look, it's called Root, and now it's all the way down.
Yeah.
I'm funnier than you realize. maybe
you're
not.
Pretty funny. Yeah.
This is great. You know, when I have, we have 100 people on here, so when I say corny jokes, in my own mind, I just picture everybody like on the floor laughing. So it makes me feel like, oh, I'm really funny.
I'll laugh.
Thank you, Pablo. Yeah. After I explain my joke.
Yeah.
Teo, you're the sweetest person ever. Teo thinks I'm funny, which makes me think that she's so sweet. Okay, so we have Root that is setting up its Root here, onomatopoeia. And let's look at the options.
HTB. Woo.
HT. Oh, hard to borrow too.
Yeah.
Hard to borrow. Whoa, what is this? Is this a biotech?
I don't know. I have no idea.
It has to be.
Let me check.
Why does this have to be a biotech? Insurance? Come on.
There's one telltale sign. One telltale sign. Let's see if anybody gets it. Or two telltale signs, at least that I see.
Recent IPO, insurance. What kind of insurance company has options priced to triple in 30 days? This is crazy. Insurance. What kind of insurance? Like blockchain insurance?
The financial, it's insurance, property and casualty.
Maybe it's insuring the blockchain. That's why it's got these kind of pricing. Wow. Direct-to-consumer insurance, which, by the way, is a very, very, very hot sector. What's the market cap on this thing? And that's, by the way, because, so.
2.9 billion.
Okay. So guys, I wish I was better at expressing myself. So the reason this is such a good trade is because it's 2 billion market cap, which is nothing. For the stock market, it's nothing. And most $2 billion companies aren't going to have the options liquidity that we're finding in a name like Root. And so the wiretapper allows us to find these names, but whenever you see a name on the wiretapper, it's tradable. You can transact. It's not going to be like this. Holy, who makes markets in these things? Like you see 285, 370, that's not really tradable. It's too far. This is a crazy company. Holy shit.
Must be the same market makers that were for NNDM.
No, but Pablo, this is real because look how much.
Yeah,
This,
I mean, that's a pretty tight spread for being all that far out, 270 days.
but besides the tight spread, just think about the buyer. Think about the investor that's willing to go out a full year to spend a lot of fucking money on the 30 strike to have an insurance company be trading at a $7 billion valuation. That's the bet down here. This is a legit company. This is great. This is very, very cool.
How did you reverse engineer the 7 billion market cap? Like by seeing like if it goes to 30, that would be its market cap. Is that what you did?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, this is less than a year. $2? Dude, this down here, it's offered for $1.80, 750 versus 35 or 30.
Yeah,
This
it's
has
all
got an
skewed and all
extremely
to
rare
the
world.
upside.
It is all skewed and all to the upside. When does this have earnings? It's first earnings too. See, this is the value of the wiretapper, to be able to May 6th. May 6th, May 6th, May 6th. Pablo, what are you doing in this thing?
I'm buying calls.
I like these right here. 245. I like those. I like these. I like these. You get earnings and then I like, you could sell these if you want. Oh, yeah. 12 and a halves and 25s.
Like
18
selling the 25s, you mean?
Yeah, buying these and selling these. On a 10 lot, you can make 12 and a half thousand. You can make, it's like risking 1,500 to make 11,000 with earnings.
What would be the difference as far as like a trade profile of doing that exact same trade, but in the December expiration? Since the 25s are carrying quite a bit of premium as well.
Well,
And
the problem here, there's nothing to do. There's no offer.
what do you mean? What do you mean?
I mean, there's 60 cents difference here. You can't get filled.
Oh, okay.
So what I would do, go to last trade, see where people are actually transacting. If they did trade, to get a feel for it. Here, I want to put. So I'll do this, Pablo. I'll do this a lot whenever I'm considering going further out, just to see, like, okay, where do I have to put an order in to get filled?
Got it. And this would be for when, like, considering the spread or considering just buying, just getting long on those 25s.
Well, I think a really good play is to get long the 25, to get long. I don't like these. I don't want to hold it for that long. I also, an earnings event is plenty. If I knew the company and I wanted to invest in the technology, then I wouldn't mind this. But I don't want to trade this because it's too difficult to transact.
Uh-huh.
I think a really good trade is to buy these, which I think are awesome.
Yeah.
And actually maybe even be patient in selling these, because if you buy these, lean on the onomatopoeia of the HVT tool. As it rallies, if this darn thing honestly can get back up to here, then you sell those other calls and you put yourself into a wicked vertical spread. That's what I would do. That's what I think.
And that's why I was asking Jonathan, is because I saw the 25s and I didn't see like that much juice. I know it would reduce the cost basis significantly, nevertheless, but that's why I was asking the question as far as doing that same trade but further out. But now I see what you mean. I think it'd be a lot better to just buy the 12 and a halves, wait, and then sell the 25s once the thing rallies, if it rallies.
So the problem that I have with going the further out, Pablo, is you're dealing with very, 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 very high volatility too. So the closer that you go, you're going to have gamma, and that's what you need, because back here is only vol.
And it's hard to fill and all
Yep.
that. Yeah, okay.
Yep.
60 days is plenty.
Because this gives you, this is the wiretapper, right? This is the reason we're getting into the trade, and we're going to get earnings. And there's just so much freaking skew out here. You could offer these for $1. Who knows? You might get filled. That's how I look at it, guys. Did that make sense? I want to look at the questions. This is why Pablo and I kind of wanted to do these together, because we can just kind of bullshit back and forth. Love this idea. Great find. We found this, and what's really unique about this trade is the liquidity in this random name route.